constantly getting calls from people saying, look, I don't want a membership, just want some once-off repair, can I do that? There's a huge difference between them, okay? And there's one kind of obvious answer, and that's what I'm going to do to explain them. So you've got your once-off repair here, $1,200, and your membership plus repair. So our repair gives a guaranteed 50% discount on any repair we do, and then the membership itself is another $600. So we're looking at about breaking even there. The differences between the two. We'll start with the insurance side. You've got a huge hassle. I say this to people all the time. Do you want to be calling me up? Maybe you have a child, maybe you have to go pick up the kids, maybe you have work, you have all this stuff to do, and you want to go around to different quote panel beaters, finding prices. It's a big waste of time and something you don't really want to do or need to do, okay? Not only that, when you do get the quote and you find one you like, you lose your car for 3, 4, 5 days, almost always, okay? If we look on this side, we do the work for you. So the whole point of what we do is digital first, hassle free. You call me, you go, hey Ryan, saw your membership, looks really good, what can we do? Send me over some photos, no problem, give you a price. You say, great, I'll go along with that. Sign you up on a membership. Then we get the account manager, gives you a call. He says, hey, saw that damage, saw Ryan gave you a price of $600 for the repair. We're going to get that done in 3 weeks. Which day suits you? We're going to Tuesday, 2 to 4 p.m. It's going to take this long. Okay, that's as simple as that. We'll then see you at your house, at your work, wherever you want it to be. As long as there's power so we can do the work nearby, we can call out to you and do that. All right, so 2 huge differences there. Next, you've no control over the price. So what I mean by that is when you go to the panel beater, most people don't have a great idea of how much it costs to get repairs. They turn up, all they could do is maybe compare quotes, but they really don't have any idea. With us, you call me up. First off, you've got that 50% guarantee anyway. So if you do go to a panel beater, you're always going to beat that price. You see our rates. I'm giving you all the fees before you pay anything. You get your quote, you know your membership, I explain everything to you. So it's all transparent. Last thing here is quite key. It's quality standardization. So because we are a national company, we have to make sure that our work is good all around the board. Last things, use of excess affects the premium. So even if you do use your insurance excess, that means your premium is going up. Paying more money, time and time again. People go, I just want the once off, it's going to happen once. There's no way you could possibly know how many times your car is going to get scratches or dents. If you care enough to actually look after it and get fixed once, you probably care enough to want to make sure it stays good for a whole year. Okay? On this side, we've got some other little bonuses. All right, you got the coverage going forward. That's obvious as part of the membership. That's your full year of coverage. Under this membership, that's free repairs, unlimited callouts with a lifetime guarantee. If you have a car that's worth $20,000, you want to save $2,000, just go on a membership. Many people just end up leaving their car at a panel beaters. They don't know what they're going to do. They just hope that, okay, it's going to come out looking great. We tell you, we can walk you through step by step and walk you through how we do the spray, how we do the fix of the dent. The last little bonus we got is we're also NRMA Blue membership partners. So that's a membership that's worth about $80. It gives you a discount at about 2,000 retailers nationwide. Even though the prices look the same up here, I think when you go through the whole process, it's clear there's an obvious winner over here for the membership. If this makes any sense to you, give us a call. You could be on the phone to me, but you'll be on the phone with someone competent that can help you out, and hopefully we can get you a great deal.